We use our boats to enjoy the outdoors and to take a breath of fresh air away from our daily lives. But when it comes time to enjoy the interior of our boats, we can be met with stale and unclean air. We want our indoor experience to feel as refreshing as the time we spend outdoors. For an improved indoor experience, Dometic introduces the Breathe Ionizer. With the Dometic Breathe Ionizer, you can bring fresh air anywhere and everywhere with a simple installation. This will give you the comfort of fresh air by reducing particles, bacteria, mold, odors, and volatile organic compounds. The Dometic Breathe Ionizer uses bipolar ionization to create both negative and positive ions. When voltage is applied to the brushes, they interact with oxygen and moisture in the air to produce these ions. When air passes over the Breathe Ionizer, it carries the ions through the ductwork and out into the conditioned space. Traditional air purification systems only purify air as it passes through them. With ionization, air is purified within the ductwork and out into the living space. Dometic's Breathe Ionizer purifies air in 3 distinct methods. First, ions reduce mold, bacteria, and viruses by attacking their core structure. Now, these organisms are stripped of the vital molecules they need to survive. This sanitizes the treated air and provides our customers with the peace of mind to feel safe inside. The second method of air purification is by airborne particle removal. Charged ions attract to particles in the air. This causes a chain reaction in which particles become attracted to each other. As the particles collect in the air, they effectively grow larger. Larger and heavier particles will fall from the air and can be cleaned off surfaces. Any remaining airborne particles are easily caught in the AC filter due to their large size. This makes existing filters more effective in capturing allergens and dust. The final method of air purification is the reduction in odor and VOC. Like the reduction of bacteria, ions attack and break up the structure of VOCs. The effect is the reduction of nuisance smells and odors caused by chemicals or waste. This provides the feeling of crisp, clean air while indoors. Dometic's Breathe Ionizer is the simple and effective solution for pure, clean air inside your vessel. Inhale comfortably and enjoy the crisp, fresh air provided by Dometic.